my 2 junction boxes, one here, not junction boxes, they're actually plug-ins, light switches. One's a double light switch, one's a plug-in. That bit. Nice little handle. All right, folks, just going to see if it fits. Yeah. Okay, that works. This hole here got a little bigger than it needed to be, but you can still make it work. Okay, I'll go get I'll shoot a few screws into that, I think. So we have this part done, and I'm going to come to the back side of here and put another one out here, and then we'll close this in. Oh, the joy. Time capsules or hidden messages you want to hide in the walls?
No.
Now would be the time.